right now I'm going to show you guys how to make your own task on Shopify, and then I'll make another video on how you can cop on Foot Locker. So basically you're going to do is you're going to create your task. So you're going to click the purple button. If you want to delete, just simply press on the button and it's going to delete. So I'm going to create a new task. So simply go on the task, and then you can either pick your profile. So I'm going to pick profile 1. You need a keyword right here. It's called experimental. That's the keyword of the thing, of the product. So I'll put experimental. If you want to have more keywords, simply put a comma and then put your keyword. If one of those keywords is wrong, then it'll mess up the bot and you won't be able to copy your item. So we're going to go for size 8.5, and we're going to load 500, and the category that we just saw in that link is footwear. So hold on, I'll go back. It's footwear right here. It's the category footwear after collections. So you're simply gonna put footwear. You're gonna put checkout delay 1,000, restock delay 200, and then for the site you're gonna put normal.ca, but you gotta copy from here. Okay. Alright. Paste that in, go back, and now you're done with your task. For proxy, if you don't have any, just don't put anything, and you can either schedule your task, but that's not necessary. Okay, so we're going to create the task, go back, and then we're going to start the task. We're searching, item found in stock, getting checkpoints. Sometimes you don't have to solve captchas. Really depends. Should say submitting soon. Yeah, submitting, and we're gonna get an error because we don't have correct information. So we got an error payment because we're not using a real credit card. I showed in the video how to create your own task, so you simply don't have to put it. Just keep in mind that with the new update, when you input your credit card number, you need to put a space for each 4 characters that you're adding. So you're not gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8 all together. So at 4, so at your 4th character, you're gonna put a space. So you're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4 space, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. So you need to add a space every 4 characters. So you got payment error. So if you check the other video about how to get the variant ID, you'll simply put it here, and you have to delete your keyword. Same thing for direct link. You're gonna add the link of your product here, and you're gonna add the link of that product, but you have to remove keyword if you're not using it. So now that we got that out of the way, so we're gonna work with proxies. So basically I added one proxy here, and it has one proxy. So what you're gonna do is either that you can duplicate your task and just put R or random, okay, and press OK, and it's gonna pick the one that is available. So what's very beneficial with that is that if you duplicate like 3 times your task, alright, it's gonna duplicate the same thing. It's gonna use the same information with the same proxy, but if you have like 100 proxies, it's gonna use either one of them, so you can have multiple tasks and make tasks really fast on a real job. So when we're done that, we know how to make proxies, we know how we use the variant ID and how to get it, we know how the keyword works, and we know how to do the direct link just by going the product and then just paste it right here. And don't forget to remove the keyword. When you're done that, you simply have your proxies, you have your profiles, and you're all set for the job. If you guys have any questions on the keywords, just let me know and I'll try to figure out the keyword. Sometimes the keyword are a bit tricky to find. Make sure that that keyword is precise and isn't too long or there's multiple words. Either that you put experimental for this one, here for the Comme des Garçons would be Chuck 70. For the Nike, it would be like Tailwind. For this one will be, you can either put CZ5594100. There's different ones like the Orion, Blazer. Sometimes you put it. Normally you would put a capital if the site normally puts a capital. But that's all for the keywords.